Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. It's been almost a year, 9 months. I don't know, but I am back now. I decided to take a little break to rest and take care of other things, but I am back now. And today's video is about this beautiful hairstyle, and I don't want to take too much of your time today, so let's get into this video already. I'm gonna be using 1.5 pack of extension. I've already stretched it out. I did everything off the camera because I do not want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna be doing a feeding braids. I'm gonna braid the hair halfway like a short braid, then I'm going to add some beads on it afterwards. And I have more details videos on my channel on how to do feeding braids and all of that. You can go check it out, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to share it and give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.